This 3D glossy title intro template will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Click on this icon to install Motion Graphics template. Here template is installed. Place template on the timeline. Change your title here. Scale title from here. Here you can change font. Change title color from here. Change title position here. Add your tagline here. Tagline font can be changed from here. Here you can change tagline position and scale. That's it. Thanks for watching.